Hi guys, today we are talking about healthy food for babies and recipes for babies for weight gain. Healthy food options for babies include breast milk or infant formula for the first 6 months, and then introducing pureed fruits and vegetables, small amounts of protein such as cooked egg or small amounts of meat, and whole grains such as rice cereal or oatmeal. Recipes for babies for weight gain. Pureed sweet potato and ground turkey. Sweet potatoes are a great source of complex carbohydrates and beta-carotene. While ground turkey is a lean source of protein, pureed lentils and rice. Lentils are a great source of protein and fiber, while rice is a complex carbohydrate that is easy to digest. Pureed banana and yogurt. Bananas are a great source of potassium and vitamins, while yogurt provides protein and healthy fats. Pureed chicken and sweet potato. Chicken is a great source of lean protein, while sweet potatoes are a complex carbohydrate that is easy to digest. Pureed avocado and eggs. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats. While eggs provide protein and other essential nutrients. Pureed peas and carrots. Peas and carrots are great sources of vitamins, minerals and fiber. Pureed fish and potatoes. Fish is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and lean protein, while potatoes are a complex carbohydrate that is easy to digest.